Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Webull app day trading easy method. Open the app and sign in, then enable real-time quotes and add liquid stocks to a watch list. Next, set up paper trading to practice entry timing and order types without risk. Learn to place market and limit orders, set stop losses, and monitor level Roman 2 to gauge momentum before committing real capital. Day trading requires quick, clear decisions and solid order execution. Select market orders for speed or limit orders for price control, and always set a stop loss and profit target. Size your position relative to your account and avoid excessive leverage, keeping losses manageable. Watch bid-ask spreads and confirm fills, then adjust your strategy based on performance and evolving market conditions while keeping emotions in check. Quick pause to say thanks and please subscribe and like if this is helping you learn the app faster. Quick recommendation: grab a copy of that book I mentioned to strengthen your long-term money mindset alongside day trading skills. I kept a link and a few deals in the description for easy access and bonus resources. Enjoy the read, then now let's get back to the video. Charts are your core tools for timing entries and exits during fast moves. Focus on 1-minute and 5-minute charts, apply short moving averages, and add RSI or MACD to confirm momentum. Mark clear support and resistance lines, and watch volume spikes for valid breakouts. Practice reading price action and heat maps, and refine your indicator settings in paper trading before shifting to real capital to build confidence and consistency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.